Hello friends, I'm Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So today in this video we'll discuss about formworks or shuttering material used in construction. So as you can see, these are some props of mild steel which are used for props in our shuttering works. Now let us discuss about its parts. As you can see here, this is the prop. This is the base plate, and at the base plate, as you can see that there are two holes which we can fix with the help of nails. So here they have not fixed because it is not required. As you go up, you can see that in this portion you get close to it, and in this portion we have a jack. We have a coupler here which is adjustable. After the coupler, this is our second part. So the first part, that is the bottom part, is called the male, and the portion above is called the female. So let me get a close view of it. Now it is visible. So the bottom portion below the jack is called the male and the top portion is called the female. So the length of the female portion should be minimum h by 3. So this is our coupler by which we can adjust. So this length is adjustable. So many people use bamboos for props which are not stable and which may cause settlements during construction. So the best thing which we can use during construction is this steel or mild steel props. Now let us have a look at some other elements of our scaffolding. So as you can see, the next element which we want to discuss is our across span. As you can see, this is our across span which is used here for the shuttering of slab. If we look closely, we can find this. You can see these are placed like this. These are across spans. So the purpose of this is to provide some support to the slab, and this is also adjustable. As you can see, these are running along the spans. These are also adjustable and can be adjusted, that is, its length can be changed. So this is a very useful material which is used in our scaffolding works. So the next material which we want to see is our vertical and horizontal members. We'll go close and have a look at them. As you can see, these are the vertical members which are used in our scaffolding. These are the vertical members and these are the horizontal members. You can see we have couplers here. You can see these are the couplers which are adjustable. So we can adjust the length of these couplers, and this also has a base plate here with two holes which can be pinned with the help of nails. Actually there are 4 holes here which can be pinned with the help of nails. You can see that they have fixed it here. So these are the vertical members, and these horizontal members are also called lathers. So the height or the distance between these two horizontal members can also be adjusted with the help of these couplers. So friends, that's all for today. As you can see in this side, the scaffolding and formworks before the casting of the slab. So for more videos on scaffolding and formworks, please do comment, and if you have any other doubts, please let us also know in our comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we keep bringing more such videos for you. That's all for today. Bye.